I found 14 free and beginner-friendly websites that require no experience at all and can make you easy money from home with the potential to earn 6 figures per year. So let's dive in. 2Captcha is the go-to website that lets you earn money effortlessly from home by solving those familiar captcha puzzles we encounter daily while logging in or submitting forms online. And the best part is, they need real people like you and me to make these captchas effective in combating spams on websites. To get started, all you need is a cell phone or a computer. Simply head over to 2Captcha.com, click on Work for Us, and hit Start Earning Now. Although 2Captcha may not be the highest earning opportunity compared to other sites on this list, it's an incredibly easy and free way to make some extra cash on the side, requiring zero skills. While it may not be life-changing money, it's definitely an effortless way to earning it a solid 1 out of 10 on our money scale. Imagine earning true passive income by simply installing an app on your phone or computer. Well, that's exactly what Nielsen Company and Mobile Panel does. When you sign up and install their app on your devices, you not only earn money, but also get a chance to win a monthly 10,000 sweepstakes. Now, you might be wondering, what's the catch? Well, there isn't one. The app sends anonymous data to Nielsen about your device usage, and in return, they pay you for that information. Rest assured, the app doesn't collect details about the websites you visit, user IDs, passwords, or any private information. By having this app installed, you can expect to earn around $60 without lifting a finger. It's true passive income. So install the app, let it work in the background, and enjoy your effortless free money. Can't complain about that, and that's why it gets 2 out of 10 on our money scale. So we've just talked about Nielsen, the website that lets you earn passive income by just having the app installed. Well, there's an even better website that can supercharge your earnings, and that is Savvy Connect, an easy-to-use app that includes you in behavioral market research while you browse the internet. It is similar to Nielsen, but here's the kicker. The more devices you have the app installed on, the more money you'll make. Savvy Connect pays you $5 per month for each device, up to 3 devices. That means you can earn up to $15 per month or around $180 per year without lifting a finger. Think about it. All the apps you have on your phone and the websites you visit are already collecting data from you. So why not get paid for it? It's a pretty savvy deal if you ask me, earning it a solid 3 out of 10 on our money scale. When it comes to survey websites, it's really a mixed bag. Some are decent, while others are just a waste of time. However, there is one survey website that stands out from the crowd, and that's Prolific. This research company pays participants for taking surveys based on studies conducted by major universities. Unlike other survey websites that try to make surveys more fun with gamification, Prolific focuses on what truly matters, helping you make money. On average, by simply taking surveys from the comfort of your home, you can earn between $6 and $12 per hour. This is significantly higher than the measly $1 or $3 per hour you typically expect to earn on other survey websites. Prolific truly shines when it comes to earning that extra cash, earning it a solid 4 out of 10 on our money scale. Imagine if money could fall from the sky. Well, it may sound like a dream, but with an app called Webull, it can become a reality. Webull is a stock investment app that offers an incredible opportunity. By simply opening an account and depositing any amount of money, even as little as 1 penny, you can receive 12 free stocks valued up to $36,000. It's practically free money. The best part is that not only do you get these free stocks, but also you can start investing right away. To get started, go to webull.com and click on Get Started. Then sign up, go through the application process, and link your bank account, which will be used for depositing funds. Once completed, you'll receive your 12 free stocks valued up to $36,000. With the potential to earn such a substantial amount, personally, I will choose Webull any day of the week. It gets a solid 4 out of 10 on our money scale. Next up, we have Validately, a unique platform that sets it apart from other user testing websites like Userlytics and UserZoom. What makes Validately special is that they directly send you tests you qualify for right to your email. Say goodbye to wasting time on countless screener tests to qualify for paid tests. With Validately, they'll only send you tests that match your qualifications. Getting started is a breeze. Simply head over to panel.validately.com where you'll find an option to register as a tester and start earning money. Then create an account, answer these profile questions, and wait for tests to start coming to your email. Most users receive their first test within 24 hours of creating an account. It is safe to say that Validately is a valid choice for earning extra cash, earning it a solid 4 out of 10 on our money scale. Next, we have a website called Listverse. This website rewards you for creating captivating lists. Whether it's lists like this, or even this, Listverse will pay you to write your own list of 10 items or more on any topic that piques your interest. The best part is, you don't need to be an experienced writer to make money on this website. As long as your list is intriguing, it will be accepted. For every list that gets accepted, you will earn $100. Imagine the possibilities. If you were to write a new list every single day and each one got accepted, you could potentially earn up to $700 per week. That's definitely not a bad deal. It's actually pretty great. I'll give this website a solid 5 out of 10 on our money scale. Now listen, there is nothing better than free cash, and that's why next up on our list we have freecash.com. Upon landing on the website, it may appear a bit overwhelming, but let me break it down for you. This platform offers various ways to make money, including testing games, testing websites, taking surveys, and even signing up for free services. To make things even more engaging, freecash.com features a chat bar where you can interact with other users while completing tasks. Now, there's an important note to remember. Steer clear of offers that require you to make purchases for anything. After all, the website is called freecash.com and there are plenty of tasks available that you can complete without spending a dime. According to freecash.com, you can earn up to $162 per offer with an average monthly earning potential of around $100. Some of the most active users on the platform even report earning over $1,000 per month. The potential to earn some serious cash is definitely there, which is why I'll give this website a solid 5 out of 10 on our money scale. Now, imagine getting paid for sharing your valuable advice on topics you care about or have experience in. Well, with a remarkable website called Clarity, this is now possible. Clarity serves as a marketplace for one-on-one advice on a wide range of subjects, including business, entrepreneurship, productivity, public speaking, and even relationship guidance. Whether you consider yourself an expert or simply possess relevant industry experience, you can sign up for Clarity and start earning money from the comfort of your home. The earning potential on Clarity is impressive, with individuals making anywhere from $100 to $300 per hour using the platform. On average, a 30-minute call translates to around $50, which equates to approximately $1.60 per minute. That's why I rate it a solid 5 out of 10 on our money scale. Next up, Userfill, another fantastic user testing website that offers an effortless way to make money. By testing websites, apps, or prototypes, you can earn easy cash in just 5 to 60 minutes, and the best part is that you can complete these tasks using your phone, tablet, or computer. Your task involves performing specific actions like navigating an online store and going through the checkout process, helping site owners identify and address usability issues. To get started, you'll need to take a qualification test, which is a requirement for all new users. Once you pass this test, you can dive into real tests and start earning money. On average, most of these tests on Userfill last around 20 minutes and pay $10. The payment structure on this website is fair and rewarding. Userfill provides a valuable opportunity to contribute your feedback while getting paid, and that's why I believe it deserves a solid 6 out of 10 on our money scale. Plasma, an essential component of blood, plays a vital role in the medical field, serving various life-saving purposes. Due to its high demand, medical facilities are willing to offer substantial compensation for individuals who choose to donate their plasma. CSL Plasma is a reliable platform that allows you to locate nearby plasma donation centers very easily. Simply visit cslplasma.com and click on Start Donating to begin your journey. The website provides detailed information on the qualifications required for plasma donation. It guides you through the process and enlightens you on what to expect when you become a plasma donor. By making weekly donations, you can earn anywhere from $300 to an impressive $1,000 per month, and that is why I will be rating this 7 out of 10. Waiting in line is a universally disliked activity, and that's precisely why many individuals are willing to pay a premium for someone else to do it for them. Platforms like TaskRabbit offer the opportunity opportunity to sign up and take on line waiting tasks. As you can see, hundreds of people are already earning between $20 and $100 per hour simply by waiting in line on behalf of others. You might wonder who would pay for such a service, but think about it. People are willing to pay for someone to go grocery shopping for them, so paying someone to wait in line is no different. Whether it's waiting in line for popular concert tickets, the latest iPhone release, or limited edition sneakers that can be resold for a hefty profit, the earning potential in this line waiting gig can vary widely. Depending on your location, you can expect to make anywhere from $25 to $50 per hour. It sounds like a win-win situation to me, so I will rate it 7 out of 10. HipCamp operates as the Airbnb of camping, providing a platform for homeowners to rent out their land to adventurous backpackers and van lifers seeking a place to stay for a few days. This site is not just a concept, it actually works, and real people are earning real money through it. Take a look at the map and you'll find numerous homes offering their backyard as a camping spot. Many of these homes have accumulated hundreds of reviews indicating that people are actively booking these accommodations. This level of demand translates into substantial earnings for homeowners. On average, hosts can expect to earn between $8,000 and $15,000 per year by renting out their backyard to campers. It's an impressive income stream considering the simplicity of the process. To get started on HipCamp, simply visit their website at hipcamp.com and click on the Start Hosting button. The sign-up process is straightforward, allowing you to join the community of hosts in no time. With its track record of success, I would confidently rate HipCamp as an 8 out of 10. At the top of our list, we have an intriguing and potentially lucrative opportunity that involves selling authorized user trade lines on a website called TradelineSupply.com. This unique concept of trade line selling entails adding a stranger as an authorized user on one of your credit cards, allowing them to benefit from your responsible credit habits and boost their credit score. Adding authorized users is a common practice supported by credit card companies, and in case you're wondering, the process carries minimal risk. The credit company will send the card to the primary cardholder's address, ensuring you maintain control and prevent any potential misuse or fraud. To dive into this venture, you can rely on reputable trade line brokers like Tradeline Supply Company. They facilitate the process and make it incredibly easy to get started. On average, you can expect to earn anywhere from $50 to $350 per month for each authorized user you add to your credit cards. The earnings depend on the age of the specific credit card, with older cards typically yielding higher returns. It's an exciting opportunity that presents minimal risk and the potential for significant monthly income. Remember, you are capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Thanks for watching, and I believe in your abilities. Keep striving for success, and I'll be here with you every step of the way. Take care, and I'll see you again soon.